What's going on, everybody? We are on Seller Roundtable session 7, and today we have special guest Kristin Schulze from Nectar House consulting firm here in San Antonio, Texas, and we are going to talk about the hook and pitch. So hook and pitch. Kristin, I'm going to turn it over to you to introduce yourself.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. And thank you for hosting me today. I'm really excited to be here with you guys. Like Amy said, I am Kristin Schulze from Nectar House. And I launched my company after I struggled as an entrepreneur and didn't have the resources that I needed and tools for developing my business. And I hit a lot of brick walls and a lot of frustration and decided that that's probably what everybody else runs into, has an amazing idea of something that they want to bring to the community. So my thought was, let's help them do that. So my biggest thing is to remove the fear from launching your business or from launching a product. And that's my my platform.
Yes, fear is such a huge thing. It's huge. And I've had a couple of great mentors out there help me get over the fear of taking the ultimate leap into business. And I'm so glad I did.
Yes, it's a big thing.